Did you know the very breakfast you eat tomorrow morning could be making or saving your life? Stick around because benefit number 1 is not only surprising, it's scientifically proven to influence how long you live. Breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day, but it's not just about eating. It's about what you eat and when you eat, especially with new research coming out in 2025. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 morning foods that are easy to prepare, delicious, and packed with life-extending health benefits. From boosting heart health to enhancing memory and even longevity, these foods play a powerful role in your overall well-being. So before you grab that sugary cereal, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in, because your morning choices can shape your entire future. Oatmeal is a true morning classic that saves lives. Loaded with whole grains, oatmeal is a true morning superstar, loaded with essential minerals whole grains, like iron, fiber, magnesium, antioxidants, selenium, and essential minerals according to like iron, magnesium, selenium, and zinc. Fiber, according to Very Well LDL cholesterol, it's beta-glucan fiber helps lower bad LDL cholesterol, but that's not improves blood sugar control, and protects your heart. And but that's not all, because your morning also keeps you full your entire future, helps manage weight, and supports a healthy gut by feeding good bacteria. The classic that saves lives. Skip the sugar-packed instant packets. Go for plain oats and sweeten naturally with fruit, cinnamon, or honey. A bowl of oatmeal with berries, nuts, or yogurt is simple, nutritious, and a gentle way to fuel your day the right way. Eggs. Nature's multivitamin. Eggs are protein rich in healthy fats and vitamins, and contain a key brain nutrient, choline. 2025 study published by the Times of India found that eating just one egg per week could reduce Alzheimer's risk by nearly 50% in older adults. Eggs also enhance fullness and reduce calorie intake later in the day, weight, ideal for maintaining energy and weight. Bacteria. Scramble, boil, fry, or turn them into wraps, muffins, or veggie omelets. Naturally with fruit, eggs are affordable, versatile, and loaded with nutrition. Number 3, a true breakfast champion. The sweetest medicine. Number 3, berries. The sweetest medicine. Blueberries or raspberries. Whether strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, bring vibrant color, flavor, and serious antioxidant power to your plate. Nearly 50% research from Healthline and The Sun links higher berry intake with a reduced risk of heart disease. Thanks to flavonoids and polyphenols. Their fiber also helps regulate appetite and stabilize blood sugar until lunch. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. But watch out for store-bought mixes with added sugars. A small handful of berries is a delicious way to supercharge your morning. Walnuts. Fuel for your brain. 4. Walnuts. Fuel for your brain. Don't underestimate walnuts. These cognitive superfoods are packed with omega-3s, polyphenols, and omega-3s. A study reported by the New York Post showed that people who added 50 grams of walnuts to their breakfast experienced improved memory and quicker reaction times. Their fiber also help regulate blood sugar and reduce cardiovascular risk, according to Arkansas Extension Service. Toss a few chopped walnuts into yogurt or oatmeal. It's an easy way to get a mental and physical edge in your day. A balanced breakfast. It's not just what you eat. It's when. Your breakfast timing. A study reported by calorie distribution showed that people who more than you 50 grams of studies from India Today and ETV Bharat show that when breakfast accounts for 20 to 30% of your daily calories, regulate blood sugar, it improves cholesterol, BMI, and reduces triglycerides. On the flip side, delaying breakfast can increase your risk of a depression, fatigue, poor oral health, and even your early death. Fill half your plate with whole grains and protein and eat more than you think. Your body will thank you with better mood, metabolism, and long-term health. Early breakfast and weight control. Early breakfast and weight control. 5-year study. Featured in The Express Tribune revealed that early breakfast eaters had lower BMI and less belly fat. This ties into chrononutrition. Eating in sync with your biological clock for better metabolism. Experts say that moderate calorie breakfasts improve heart health, while skipping or overloading on breakfast does the opposite. 20 to 30% of your daily calories. Eat early, eat smart, and keep your body aligned with nature's rhythm. Rich in protein, calcium, Greek yogurt, and probiotics. Hero, rich in protein, calcium, and your probiotics. Start your day. Greek yogurt is a fantastic way to start your day. According to Healthline, it improves nutrient absorption and metabolic health. A study in The Sun found that people who ate yogurt twice a week reduced their risk of bowel cancer. Thanks to gut-friendly bacteria like bifidobacterium. Add fruits, seeds, or a handful of granola to create a powerful breakfast bowl that supports immunity and digestion. Savory, protein-rich breakfasts. The glucose guardian. Swapping sugary breakfasts for savory options. Like eggs, avocado, tofu, can have a massive impact. According to users on Reddit's Metabolic Kitchen, protein-rich mornings stabilize blood sugar, reduce cravings, and boost energy all day. So skip these meals raise peptide YY and keep your body aligned, a hormone that controls hunger, according to Hindustan Times. 7. Try savory pancakes, avocado toast with eggs, or cottage cheese bowls for a balanced start without the crash. Checker 9. Heart-healthy breakfast choices. Studies from News Medical and India today show that balanced breakfasts, rich in fiber, protein, seeds, and healthy fats, a handful of lower cardiovascular to create a powerful breakfast bowl. Skipping breakfast or eating late may increase blood pressure and harm heart health. Build your breakfast with oats, nuts, whole grains, and good fats, and avoid ultra-processed or sugary options. Every morning meal is a chance to protect your heart. Mood, longevity, and mental well-being. It's not just about physical health. Your mood and mind also depend on your breakfast. Skipping it raises your risk of depression, fatigue, and disrupted sleep. Especially as you age. The sun self. Other studies link poor breakfast habits with gut dysbiosis and a higher chance of major depressive disorder. But consistent, early, and nutrient-rich breakfasts support emotional stability and even increase your lifespan. Other studies link your morning meal isn't just food. It's a daily mental health investment, according to Hindustan Times. Now, so there you have it. 10 science-backed morning foods that can transform your health, energy, and even your lifespan. Remember, the goal is consistency. Eat early, eat smart, eat well. Will you be adding these foods to your morning routine? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future health updates. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and start your day the right way.